In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get fast previews and faster final renders in Cinema 4D. Let's start with quick, real-time feedback. When you're dialing in lighting and materials, you don't want to wait on full quality frames. Use the render view together with interactive render to see a live, low-quality preview of your scene right inside the viewport. As you move lights, tweak roughness, or change colors, the interactive render refreshes automatically, giving you a reliable impression of how things will look without committing to long render times. If your machine feels sluggish, lower the preview quality or reduce the viewport resolution. You'll still catch the important cues, specular highlights, reflections, and shadow direction, while staying responsive. Pause the interactive session whenever you need to make bigger changes, then resume to confirm the results. This workflow is perfect for catching issues early, like too bright highlights or muddy shadows, before they become time-consuming mistakes later. Next, when you're ready to show the whole model in motion, set up a clean turntable. Create a turntable object to act as your rotating base, then animate a camera to follow it so your subject stays centered while rotating smoothly. A simple 360-degree rotation over a few seconds is often enough to show form, materials, and proportions from every angle. Before you spend time on a full quality output, render a low resolution preview. This quick pass is your timing and motion check. Confirm the speed feels right, the object remains framed, and no elements clip the camera. If anything looks off, adjust the rotation duration or camera follow settings and generate another low-res preview until it feels polished. Finally, when it's time for your final output, optimize your render settings for speed without sacrificing too much quality. Choose the renderer that best matches your scene. Some engines handle reflections and GI more efficiently than others. Enable denoising to clean up grain so you can use fewer samples while still getting a crisp image. Then fine-tune your sample count. Start lower to reduce render time, and only increase it where noise persists in areas like glossy reflections, soft shadows, or depth of field. The goal is balanced quality. Clean where it matters, efficient everywhere else. By combining fast interactive previews, a controlled turntable setup with low-res tests and smart final settings, renderer, denoising, and samples, you'll move from look development to final renders with confidence and speed.